Hey guys, welcome back. This week we're going to be doing a clean and decorate with me. I am finally doing my new spring colors and spring decor. I had bought some florals probably like a month ago, just adding some purple to my collection. And we're going to make some new flower arrangements today. So starting off, this is the one that I like to keep on my counter. I have some hydrangea, I have a bunch of roses. I just keep everything together, stored together, like all my whites and pinks, and I've collected flowers over time. So I will link all my flowers down below, but these are pretty easy. So you just bend them back and forth and then you can cut them off to get the desired length that you need. So I'm going to start alternating the hydrangea in between the roses, and I love this rose bunch because you can easily manipulate the roses to where you need them to go. And then after I add in the purple, I'm gonna fill in with some white too. Now I'm gonna add in some of these fun purple stems that I got from At Home. At Home has really stepped up their floral game. They have a bunch of new designers in there. So good. I got a lot of my stuff from there and definitely check it out. But again, I will link it. So I'm just adding in some of these bunches here to give it some nice shape. And then I'm gonna go ahead and add in some greenery too. I just feel like it kind of evens out the bouquet and the design, and it just makes it look really, really nice. So here the first one is finished. I love the way it came out, and I might go in and, make some tweaks. But moving on to the next one, I got a really pretty vase or vase or ginger jar, whatever you want to call it, from At Home. And it's going to look really cute there in the corner. Look at how nice that is. So again, using that same rose bundle. I got the roses, I think from Michael's like a while ago, but I'm pretty sure that they still have them. And I'm just going to use the same technique here. Just kind of alternate in the purple hydrangeas, fill in any gaps afterwards with a couple pieces of the white hydrangea stems. And I feel like it always looks a little wonky first, but just trust the process. At the end, once everything takes shape and it gets evened out, it will look really, really nice. I'm gonna place the arrangement over in the corner so I can kind of get a better eye of what I want to add, and I'm just adding in some finishing touches here. Two more. These I keep next to my range typically, and I'm just going to do the same type of theme. So the roses with the hydrangea, and then sprinkle in a little bit of the stems. I don't know if they're like lilac stems or what exactly they are. I love using flowers to add color. So if you want to add in some fun color, it's the easiest way I find. And it's just so warm and inviting. They just make me happy. But I got this really cute bundle from At Home as well. So this is going to be a taller arrangement. I love it. It has like the lilac, the lavender, and then I think those are like alliums, or I'm not exactly sure what they are, but it just on the website it says like floral balls. And I'm just adding in a little bit of hydrangea, a little bit of greenery. And I end up kind of redoing it once I get it over to where I'm keeping it. Like, it's too bunched up right now, but I'll show you here in a minute. So that's what I came up with. I like the height that it adds to the space. It kind of just looks, I think it looks really nice in the space here in the corner. So I decided to do one more for this little round table just to add a little something to it because it's a little plain. Gonna start cleaning up the rest of the downstairs. I got some really pretty like lilac throw pillows, perfect for spring, and they're gonna look really nice. It's just fun to switch it out. I feel like I've had the pink for a while now, so I'm just cleaning up. Obviously there's a lot of kid stuff like that. I got a vacuum, clean some crumbs off the couch. So I noticed that something weird must have spilt, but I don't think it's food. Like, I don't know what it is, and it's just a little spot. So I'm just going in with the little hand vac here, just getting any of the little crumbs and a baby wipe and just a little cleaning solution to get it off. I did recently do like a deep clean of my couch, and all of my cushions, they're easily removed. It has a zipper. I will link to one of those videos if you want to see how I clean my couch. I'm gonna use carpet powder today just to freshen things up. It's like basically just like a baking soda with a little scent. But first, I just had to vacuum any of the crumbs or like food or anything off. And I like to get under the couch, just kind of get it to like a baseline before I sprinkle the powder down. So this is Arm & Hammer. I will list it and link it down below. And I'm going to sprinkle that on the carpet, and I'm going to let it sit for probably like a good 15 minutes before I then go back in and start vacuuming it up. And it just makes the house smell just so fresh. It just neutralizes any odors, and it kind of gets that stale smell, if that makes sense. Not that it smelled like stale, but it just, I don't know how to describe it. It just makes it smell so clean and fresh. So I thought I was recording the vacuuming the rest of the house, but I was not. So here I am with my steamer. I just use a couple drops of the like orange essential oil, and I just love doing this like probably once a month. Just steam the floors. Love the shark one. It's so easy. It just makes everything smell so nice. It's kind of like an aromatherapy too, which is great, but cleans the floors so well. Works great on tile. I love how the mop heads are washable, so they're reusable. You can buy a couple on Amazon, but you only want to use this mop on sealed floors. So if your wood is not sealed, do not use this mop. The shine it leaves is incredible. When you walk around barefoot after doing this, the floors just feel so clean. There's no like chemical residue, no streaking, nothing like that. I just love it so much. Loading my dishwasher here, just using my Cascade. I just find that the brand names work a lot better than the store brand. And I've been trying the store brands, but I've just noticed that my dishes haven't been getting as clean. So I'm back to the Cascade. And finished up the dishes, have a bunch that just need to air dry. And then I'm just gonna clean up the countertop. I have some groceries that need to be put away. I have some artwork to go through, some mail to go through, some random like sunscreen and stuff that has to be put away. So just finishing up here in the kitchen. Just refilling some stuff from my pantry, and then I was distracted by something on the news. I think I said, "Is this for real?" or something like that. And to clean my counters, love using this quartz cleaner. It just gets the best shine and clean, and it smells really, really good. So just doing a quick wipe down of the kitchen today, not deep cleaning. I will put up above in the cards some deep cleaning kitchen videos if you want to check that out, where I really go into detail and we really get down and dirty and we clean everything. So that's going to be it for today's video. I hope you guys like this, and I will see you guys next week. Bye, guys.